I'll tell you the honest truth. Most of we own a bike, we buy a second-hand bike. And if you buy a brand new bike, you get a helmet.
Right.
So when you buy a second-hand bike, you don't have a helmet. You understand? And that's why we don't really have wear a helmet because we don't get the support with the helmet. And we not really ask the foundation if they can sponsor some helmet for bikers them overall.
It was clear, after interviewing citizens of Westmoreland and surrounding communities, that trauma was something that occurred daily. Bike and motor vehicle accidents, farm injuries, medical emergencies such as asthma, heart attack and stroke, just to name a few. These are the #1 killers not only in Jamaica but worldwide. Modern societies all have a system to respond to these incidents, and there is no reason Jamaica should not have such a public emergency medical system. Since we have new highways, let's have a public EMS system to supplement the speed. While Jamaica is wealthy in many respects, the distribution of that wealth seems somewhat imbalanced. It is the hope of the Jaja Foundation and its partners in this endeavor to create such a medical emergency system based on a public-private partnership. Why, you ask? Because it's the right thing to do. If you're injured in a high-speed motor vehicle accident, your worth will be irrelevant. In your state of unconsciousness, there is no way to tell how much you're worth or what you can afford to pay. And you, like the other person, will need someone to respond to your medical needs in a timely manner. That's why we at the Jaja Foundation initiated our first responder training course in Negril in September 2019. From approximately 50 applicants, Nurse Bradley, Andy Roberts, and Karen Shields were able to narrow the students to approximately 23. We were only able to accommodate these students not because we didn't think all were capable, but space was limited. We had 4 remarkable trainers who volunteered their time and services all the way from Israel. Flying between 8 and 16 hours, they made it safely on the island, this being their first trip to Jamaica. It should be noted that for the majority of the trainers, English was not their first language. Hebrew was.
I'm Ori Shefland, 24 years old, from Haifa in Israel.
Hi, my name is Alon, 23 years old from Israel, originally from Haifa in the north, and now I live in Tel Aviv.
But these brave men were all up to the challenge, having been trained in medical and military response and rescue as part of the elite 669 Black Cat unit. Our primary accommodations partners for this mission are members of the Negril Chamber of Commerce. The president, Richard Wallace, and Dr. Trevor Dixon conceptualized the EMS program some 2 years ago, which would offer support to the Jamaica Fire Brigade stationed in Negril. Mr. Wallace immediately deputized a member of the board, Mrs. Elaine Bradley, a retired nurse from England, to assist with the program. Phase 1. The selection and training of our future first responders is complete. With the help of our supporters, we recently shipped much-needed EMS equipment to the island. Our most immediate needs include 2 ambulances, which we've already identified, and housing for our first responders while they are on duty.
My name is Elaine Allen Bradley. I'm a retired nurse from UK, living in Negril. Now we have trained our first responders. We need the ambulance station that the Jaja is hoping to fund. We need that up and running as of yesterday, like right now. And it's urgent because we need the 2 ambulances. Our first responders are trained. We cannot have them with that knowledge and not imparting it to the community, because if they stay with that knowledge now, it might fade. So they actually need to start practicing, and they cannot do that now without the ambulance and the ambulance station. We have already got the premises. We just need the money and the ambulance now to refurbish what we've got. So please, whoever can help, you can either donate an ambulance, we won't say no. You can help to donate one. We are begging you, please. We have started the charge by training the first responders. We know right now Negril, Lucy and Savlamar have no ambulances. Now the ordinary people cannot afford the private ambulances that are around. So this is where we as first responders or trainers and partners need your help. Thank you.
The needs of the most vulnerable on the island are great. Let's not turn our backs on them. Please make your checks payable to Jaja Foundation and visit us at jajafoundation.org to make a donation and learn more about us.